Hi all, welcome back to the channel name as ImMath. So let's go into today's topic, that is, first we'll check what we are seeing in this. So have you seen this type of numbers like 0.25, 0.852, 2.56, 0.8235, or have you seen this type of example like 2 by 6, 3 by 5, 9 by 16? So what this is called as? So this is called as fraction. Okay, so number which is denoted by decimal point is called as fraction. So we are having multiple examples in real life situation, like where we are seeing these fraction numbers. Let's say we are checking the tax, or in the petrol pump, if you go, it is showing you 0.25 liter, 2 liter, 2.5 liters, right? So there we are seeing decimal points. And also if you are going in the banks and if you are checking the statements, there also you can check the point decimal numbers. So these decimal numbers also have some meaning. So we'll check what is decimal number and how we can do some operation with this. So let's move to the topic. So fraction is denoted with the if it can be denoted with the decimal point, or it is a ratio of two quantities. So we can denote by using ratios. So let's take an example of a pizza. So here, for that pizza we have 8 parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 parts, and I have taken one piece of that pizza. So how much overall I have in my hand that pizza? So what we can say, 8 parts we have for that pizza, and I have taken one part, so it will be 1 by 8. So how we can denote it? 1 by 8. How much pizza I have? 1 by 8. And how much is remaining? 7 by 8. Okay, so this is how we can represent the fractional number. So we can represent with decimal point, or we can represent in the term of ratio. So here above part is how much I have taken, and below part is how much total numbers of parts we have. So the above one is called as numerator. In the mathematical term, we can say it as a numerator, and the downward what we have, so downward one we can say as a denominator. So 1 is numerator and 8 is a denominator. So mathematically we can say I have 1 by 8 part of the pizza, or 0.215 of that pizza. Okay, of that one pizza. Okay, let's take an example of how we can denote this fraction. So what I have here, so here we have only two parts. So I have taken this green, I can say I have taken this part. So how much percent I have, how much pizza I have? So we can say two parts we have, so 2 will be a denominator, and how much I have taken? 1, so it will be 1 by 2. Okay, then let's take a next example. So here how much pieces we have? 1 2 3, so 3 parts I have. So how much total parts? 3, so 3 will go in the denominator, and how much I have taken? 1, so 1 by 3. Same way we can check here how much we have? 1 2 3 4, so 4 parts of that pizza, and how much I have taken? 1, so 1 by 4. Okay, next, so this is 1 2 3 4 5, so here 5 parts we have, and I have taken 1, so how we can represent it? 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5 the pizza I have taken. Now here if we say 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 parts we have, so 6 we can 6 will go to the denominator, and how much I have taken? 1, so 1 by 6. In the same way here how much pieces we have? 1 2 3 4 5 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 total, 12 pieces we have for the pizza, and I have taken one piece, so it is 1 by 12. Okay, so in this way we can check the fraction, how we can write it. Okay, now takes another example of how we can denote. So here how much pieces we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 pieces of that pizza. So let's say if green we need to calculate, so how we can calculate how much green part we have? 1, so 1 by 6. Okay, so we can write it as 1 by 6. Here for white how much we have? 1 2 3, so 3 parts we have for white one. Let's say it has taken for second person, so how much he taken? 3 by 6. 3 by 6 means we have 6 numbers of pieces, and he has taken 3, means so 3 by 6 we can write 3 by 6, or by if we divide it 3 by 6, so 3 in 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6, so 1 by 2 also we can say. Okay, and this one pink, let's say third person has taken, so how much he has taken? 2 by 6, or we can say 1 by 3. So this is how we can denote this fraction. Okay, now taken a next example. Here how much pieces we have? Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So how much total pieces we have? 12 pieces. So how we can denote? Denominator by 12. And now if we say we need to check this first person, so how much he has taken? 1 by 3. Okay, so 1 by 12, sorry, 12 pieces we have, so 1 by 12. Now next if we say this, it is this white one, it has taken by second person, so how much he has taken? 1 by 3, sorry 1 by 12, sorry 3 by 12, so 3 by 12 we can say, or 1 by 4 we can say. Okay, same like blue also, so blue also 3 by 12 or 1 by 4, because by multiplying 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. Now if we consider this red, so how many pieces we have? 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 by 12, so we cannot divide it, so it is 5 by 12. Okay, so this is an example how we can write fractions. So now I hope now you get an idea how to write a fraction, and how is that concept. Okay, now we'll move to the next topic. So let's say I have one piece, so let's say I have taken one piece of this pizza, okay, of 4 pieces, and again another person take the 2 pieces, okay, for next pizza. So how to add this? Okay, so this we need to learn how to add, subtract, multiply and divide. So these operation we can take by using this fraction, how we can calculate this. Okay, next thing, so here we have same parts, same pieces of that pizza. Okay, now if we say we have different pieces, now if, let's say we have different pieces, then how we can calculate these operations? Like here we have 4 pieces and here we have 6 pieces, and we need to add subtract, multiply and divide. So how we can do this? So this also we'll learn in this next. So here you need to remember same parts, means if we have same pieces of that pizza, then we can say as same parts or same denominator, and if it is a different parts, means we have different denominators. Okay, so these have 2 rules, like same denominator and a different denominator. Okay, so we'll learn one by one. So we'll move to the next topic. Okay, so now we'll learn how to add or subtract a fraction. Okay, so here we can take one example of, let's say we have this of same denominator, so we have 4 pieces. So how we can do? So we have rule here. So let's say a by b plus or minus, we can say plus or minus. This rule is applied for plus or minus. Okay, when we have same denominator, so b is same. If we see here, b is same and numerator is different. So how we can apply the rule? So rule is saying if denominator is same, then directly we can do addition or subtraction. So what we have done, a plus or minus c divided by b directly. So if I have taken 1 and the next person have taken 2 pieces, then how much pieces is there? 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 means 3 by 4. So directly we can check here by this example. So 1 by 4 plus or minus also we can take, and 2 by 4. So denominator is same. If we consider denominator is same, then is equals to 3 by 4, because 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 by 4. Or if we take a minus, then 1 minus 2 will be a minus 1. Okay, minus 1 by 4. If you are not understanding this plus minus, how we can operate this plus or minus, then you can learn it in my different video, like as board mass we have. So I have taken that, and there you can understand how we can do plus minus, multiplication with a negative number, addition, all these things you can learn there. Okay, so what will be so this sum will be 3 by 4. Okay, now next we'll go with the different, if we have different denominator. So let's take example of 2 by 6 plus or minus 2 by 4. So what is the rule here? Here rule is, so let's say this is a rule, a by b means numerator a divided by denominator b, plus or minus, you can take plus or minus, anything you can take here, and c by d means c and d. Okay, so you have different denominators like b and d, both have different denominators. So what we need to do, so first what we can do, first multiply with a and d. Okay, a and d. So first multiply with this a and d. So a and d, and whatever operation you have in between, plus or minus, you can take. If it is plus, then plus. If it is minus, then minus. Then b and c. So what we need to do, cross multiplication. Okay, so this you need to follow this rule only, ad and bc. Okay, so this next is bc. So what we need to do, b into c divided by this one, the multiplication of denominator. Okay, so how we can calculate numerator? Numerator is cross multiplication of numerator and denominator, and then that operation, whatever plus or minus, and then multiplication of denominator. So this is a rule. Okay, so you need to follow this rule only. So cross multiplication, you can remember this. And now let's take this example. Here 2 by 6 we have, and here 2 by 4. So let's take an example, 2 by 6 plus 2 by 4. So what will be the result? First we can do 2 by 4. So 2 into 4, and then 6 by 2. Sorry, 6 into 2. So plus or minus, whatever you have sign you can do, and then 6 by 2 divided by 6 into 4. 6 into 4. So what will be the result? 2 into 4 will be 8, and 6 into 2 will be 12, and this will be 6 into 4, which is equals to, what will be the 20 divided by 24. So 20 divided by 24. So here we can divide it by 4, right? Multiply and divide. So if we divide here, let's say 50, so we have taken 4 common, so 5, and here also we can take 4 common, so 6. So this will be a 5 by 6. Okay, so this is the answer of this addition or subtraction. What will be happen? So 8 minus 12 divided by, so this will be minus 2 by 20. So this will be your result for subtraction. Okay, so this is how we can do the addition or subtraction of the fraction. Okay, now we can take a next example. So this is simple term, but just I am remembering how we can do this, because going forward, if you are moving in the aptitude, then it will be important, or you can say base of this mathematics. So that's why this we need to have concept clear. So cross multiplication, if denominator is same for addition or subtraction. If denominator is different, then we need to apply two different logics. Okay, two different formulas. So you can write these formulas in your notebook or not, wherever you have, and whenever you will get time, just remember those formulas. It will help your understanding power. So yeah, 5 by 6, how we can give here 5 by 6. So 5, so this will be the addition. Okay, yeah, next we'll check how we can do multiplication and division of this fraction. Okay, so yeah, sorry, I have taken another example of this. So let's say 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. So I have taken some examples here. So 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. So do we have denominator same here? No, it is different. So what we need to do? We need to do cross multiplication. So this one and then this one. Okay, so what we need to do? First this one, 2 by 5 minus 3 by 4 divided by, now multiplication of denominator. So what we can do? 3 into 5. So what will be the result? So 2 into 5 will be 10, and 3 into 4 will be minus 12 and 15. So minus 2 by 15. Let's take another example. So 1 plus 4 by 5. So this is another where we have 1 is a whole number and 4 by 5 is a fraction. So how we can add this? So it is a simple same cross multiplication we need to take, but 1 by 1 you need to take, 1 by 1. So 1 and denominator also 1, so no need to. So what we can do? 5 into 1 plus 4 directly. 4 into 1 means 4. So what will be? So 5 into 1 means 5 plus 4 divided by 5. Okay, so we are doing cross multiplication only, but we can denote it in this way also. So 1 digit complete and 4 by 5. So this also means same way. Okay, multiple question will ask on this topic, on this one they will give like this way. So first you need to simplify it, like 5 into 1 plus 4 means 5 plus 4 means 9 by 5. So the result will be 9 by 5. So whenever you will get this type of this type of fraction, you need to first solve this and then you can solve the next one. Okay, now take next example, like yeah, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3. So here if you see, if you have something like you have here 2, 5, 3, so all three denominators are different. Okay, you cannot apply same denominator rule here, but we can do it same. So by converting it, so what we can do, let's say 2, 5 and 3. So 5 will be, so then 3 will be not divisible. If we take 20, if we take 15, then 2 will be not divisible. So like this way, 20 also 3 will be not be there. If we take 25, 3 will not be divisible. So if we take 30, then all 3 will be divisible. So what we can do, we can multiply and divide and take the 30 as a common denominator. So what we can do, so if here we have 2, so we can multiply 15 and divide 15, so that will give same result. So 1 into 15 divided by 2 into 15 plus here 5 we have, so 6 and 6 plus here 3 we have, so 3 into 10, so we have make 30 as denominator. So now first we'll go do the multiplication, and now we have denominator same, so what we can do, 15 plus 18 plus 70 directly. So what will be the result? It will be 103 by 30. Okay, so this is also a right answer, but we can also convert it into this way, 4 by. So first divide this 103 by 30. So what will be the question? So question will be 3. So we can say 3, and what will 3 into 30 means 90. So 90, and then 13 will be remaining. So remainder divided by divisor again. Sorry, dividend. Okay, so this will be your answer, and this will be your remainder, and this is a dividend. Okay, so like this way you can again convert it. So sometimes in the examination they will give you this type of answer only, so you no need to worry about it, so you can do like this way. Okay, now next move to the multiplication and division, how we can do multiplication and division of fractions. So here let's take an example of a by b into c by d, or a by b divided by c by d. So what we can do, so this multiplication we can say as, so in the multiplication no need to check numerator, denominator, nothing, directly you can multiply by numerator and divide by and again multiply by denominator directly, same way. So a into c, b into d directly. So what you can do, a into c directly multiplication, and d into b into d. Sorry, here we need to make b into d. Okay, so here somewhat change I think we need to do. So yeah, this is the formula, AC into BD. Okay, so you can note this formula also. So same direct multiplication you need to do. No need to check if it is a multiplication or division. Okay, that denominator no need to check. Only for addition and subtraction only we need to check for denominators. Let's say and take an example 2 by 3 into 9 by 4. So here if we see directly 2 by 9 and 3 by 4, so no need to do anything, and 3 by 4. So now if you don't have addition or subtraction, you can directly do division. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, and 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So 3 by 2 directly we can say 3 by 2. Okay, so if you have, let's say take an example, if you have this plus inside, then you cannot divide here. Okay, if you have here plus, okay, then you cannot do. Only if you have multiplication, then only you can do cross. Okay, so this is also one, remember, you can do. So now we have another example where they have given in the whole number and fraction. So 2 1 by 4 means they have not given you whole fraction. So first you need to simplify and then you can do the multiplication. This example also come for this addition and subtraction. So first thing you need to do is you need to simplify this and then do the next step. So first we have simplified. So 4 into 2 will be 8, 8 plus 1 will be 9, 9 by 4, 9 by 4 into 2 by 5. So it will give you 9 into 2. So 9 into 2 and 4 into 5. So it will be, so here we can do, as we have multiplication here, so 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So 9 by 10. Okay, so and same way we can do division as well. So only the flow will be, if let's say we have a by b divided by c by d, so what we need to do, we need to just reverse the second parameter. Reverse means numerator will be go to denominator and denominator will go to numerator. So a by b into d by c, nothing, only this thing, and then it will be, you can solve it by using this multiplication only. So what will be the result? AD into BC. Here it is AC into BD. Here it will be A into D and B into C. So let's say like this. So don't confuse with cross multiplication. Here we don't need to do like this. Just reverse this and then you can do multiplication same. Numerator and denominator. Otherwise you will be confused in like cross multiplication. Here also we need to do and then like this way. So no, division is also simple. Just first convert it into multiplication and then you can do this operation of fraction. Okay, so this will be your fraction. So fraction is important for this competitive examinations. So in the multiple examination fractions is they are asking questions on this, but multiple students are facing problem on this, and also they are facing problem on that plus minus operations. So you can check my PODMAS video and there you can take the help of that video and you can do practice on that. So yeah, so at the in the description box I am giving the test. Okay, so you can practice on this fraction. So I am giving you multiple examples how they have asked in the competitive exam, so you can test. So link will be given in the description, so you need to just click on that test link and you can solve that and you can practice. Okay, great, thank you.